Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Windows notification banners for project apps, complete guide step by step clearly. To disable Windows notification banners for project apps, first, click on the Start menu at the bottom left of your screen. Next, select the Settings icon, which looks like a gear. In the Settings window, click on System. On the left sidebar, choose the Notifications and Actions option. Here, you'll find a list of apps that can send notifications. Scroll down until you locate the specific project app you want to modify. Once found, click on the app's name to open its notification settings. To disable notifications from this app, toggle the switch to the off position. This action will stop all banner notifications from appearing on your screen. If you want to customize notifications instead of disabling them, explore the options provided. You can choose to allow notifications but avoid banners, sounds, or other features. Once you've made your changes, close the settings window. Your new notification settings will take effect immediately. You can repeat these steps for any other apps you want to adjust. This method allows for a customizable notification experience tailored to your needs. If you ever want to enable notifications again, simply follow the same steps and toggle the switch back to on. Remember, managing notifications, by reducing distractions, you can focus better on your project work. That's it. You have now successfully disabled notification banners for your chosen project apps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.